Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I want to cover with mead and black paint. Hopefully it's back on my Amazon link. It's the blackest black single coverage paint I know of. Takes some getting used to probably. Need to follow the recipe I add below the video. And it makes cells. If you don't have a cell activator or you're not using a cell activator, where are my tweezers? I see that thing that does not belong. I got it. Yay! Anyway, this is usually my favorite stage, or one of them, because all of the black and white looks like painting to me. That is another rather large thing. I am planning on doing a swipe. I don't have a ton of time, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and use my spatula. I'm going to be random. That was the Chantilly lace. This is some African violet. This is some blue velvet. Some pink diamond. A little claret. These bottles are great, but you got to remember to take the tab off. I've got some odd color combinations in mind. This is some Mayan gold. I made up some orange with some Tuscan sun. And a little bit of orange unicorn spit. I'm looking forward to trying that. Here is some Bonfire. The water dragon. I'm thinking peacock. Am I? Yeah, I am. And a little frozen, maybe just for... Now the question is, do I have enough purple? Do I ever have enough purple? I need to make some more Twilight Violet. Twilight Orchid, excuse me. And I'm just going to go all over the place. Try and get some of my bottles out of my way so I got some elbow room. Do I have enough? I'm going to wipe off my spatula. I'm going to grab, I went that way, so I'm going to grab some of my gold, that even though it's not really a cell activator, and my orange, which is another Aussie Floetrol with unicorn spit, and the purple. Where'd the purple go? There it is. Purple is a dioxazine purple from Master's Touch. I didn't use the gold after talking about it. Okay, I'm going to put a little gold in there. I'm going to want some white too. I'm going to use my scrape dish. Clean off my residuals. Thinking a little more white. A little more Chantilly lace rather. Let's grab some. I like this magenta from Golden. I'm going to try it with some of the orange though, and a little bit of the gold. And I did just shake up the white, so why not use it? I am being a little sloppy, but I have an end game in mind. Just going to use the white this time. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I learn new stuff every time. I like that magenta. I want some of it right there. I like using the blade of my spatula to add texture and break up the hard lines down the center. That white is looking gorgeous. Makes me want to do it again. I think I'm going to do the white with the magenta. What the heck? Put a little purple in there, why not? Seldom have I gone from one side to the other, but I did it just then. I'm thinking I want some orange before it's too late. There, I'm liking all of that. I didn't save myself any negative space, but I don't really think I care at this point because those colors are the bomb. There is a 20% off promo code for Colour Arte, Prism Pours, and anything at Colour Arte really, underneath the video. And if you shop there, I'm an affiliate and it helps me out. Along with my Amazon link on the link tree, which is below Show More under the video. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I shouldn't destroy any little solid areas. I kind of like the way they look. Do I have paint falling over my edges? Do a quick tap. If I add a little paint to the edge, it'll probably pull a little more over there. Make it cohesive rather than looking drippy. I'm going to try and shine a light on this really quickly. This is absolutely beautiful. Easy peasy. Wow. So if you ever find a design like this and you want to have me add it because it's not added to Fine Art America, pixels.com, Le Gallerist clothing that's on my link tree made in Montreal, or spring clothing, Fine Art America, I said that twice. I've got paint, and when I have pretty paint, it's really hard for me not to want to use it. So bear with me while I wipe off my spatula repeatedly. And I'll probably use the paint that's in my dish to cover the end pieces. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Please, if you like what I do, please share my videos. Having a thumbs up would make me happy. Your donations make me happy. Thank you so much for helping me continue to provide video tutorials at YouTube. Those of you who would like to contribute through Patreon, not Patreon. I have Patreon. PayPal. You can find the YouTube channel banner on my channel on the bottom right hand corner. Yes, I'm distracted. Which reminds me, get out the flashlight and try and zoom in. Wow, look at those cells. That's a beauty. It's time to zoom in. I like this. It's like all the colors I wanted. It's gorgeous. And I want to shimmer it at you. Oh my, I wish you could see what I see. What did I forget to tell you guys? My paint pouring recipe is below the video. My link tree has all my links on it. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and Moors for shopping, Pixels.com, Far North American, all those other links I mentioned already. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. Selling a painting would really make the studio more viable. I really would appreciate that. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have over 2,400 videos. And if you can't find what you're looking for on playlists by going to my channel and playlists, all playlists, created playlists, then just ask me, because I've got them separated by topic and genre and by the 100. Oh wow, there are so many beautiful parts to this. I'm not even sure what I'm showing you. I wish I could show you really, really a wonderful close-up of everything. I especially like this over here. I will see you guys anon. I'm sure I didn't tell you everything. Oh, there's a monthly drawing for anybody who wants to contribute to the creation of YouTube tutorials. Find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and if you make a donation, you'll be invited to join us with in the monthly drawing that happens on the 1st of the month. Excuse me, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video. That's on the end screen of this video and most recent videos. Wow, I'm just enamored. That turned out really beautifully. I can't get over it. Although it's happened a few other times. I even like the areas with small cells. That's just gorgeous. I gotta make a shirt with this pattern on it. Alright, I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell, again, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring me. Thanks for being here. I post 7 days a week. Actually, at midday and midnight. And I will see you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.